If had I not ngifundanga, I think namhlanje probably I would have had ingane eziwu 3 or 4, or probably I would have been ngidla ama-drugs. Ngiyabanga kakhulu abantu abasesebasha ukuthi basukume bayofunda. Ngiyimi nje uma wami had no money, waze washo wathi uyaphi because anginayo imali. I went there, I had to i-registration yayo 9,000 rand, so angangenayo kwayona. Had I not have had i-bursary from a Department of Health, Amajuba district, I wouldn't have been able ukuthi ngiyofunda. So in a nutshell, ngafunda mahala, angizange ngikhokhe ngisho isent. So kumuntu oqhamuka in a very deep rural area, it is definitely possible ukuyofunda. Ngafunda mahala njengoba ngisho, KZN government gave me a bursary. They paid all my tuition, my books, my accommodation, and on top of that ngathola ne monthly allowance for me, like toiletries, nokudla and stuff. So definitely the Department of Health, government, it really helped me. If had I not ngifundanga, I think namhlanje probably I would have had ingane eziwu 3 or 4, or probably I would have been ngidla ama-drugs or something else that is not right is in the society. So I'm definitely urging abantu abasha ukuthi bahambe bayofunda, as a way yokuthi sehlise i-teenage pregnancy, because the more ufunda, the more you are knowledge, then you are exposed to education ukuthi how do you prevent a teenage pregnancy, what are the risks of a teenage pregnancy, what are the consequences thereof sisesebancane. So mawufunda futhi, you get less exposure to drug abuse, nayo futhi teenage pregnancy, because you are more knowledge, you are more exposed to knowledge, yokuthi how do you protect yourself, how do you protect your body from getting diseases.